Hello everyone, thanks for Ella's explanation. And now it's me to introduce and explain for some of our customers concern many questions. For example, if I buy a machine, how your after service will serve us? It is many customers worried. So today I will help the customers to solve this problem and make the explanation. First of all, our AOL's after service is very perfect because we have about more than 25 after service employees, and our machine is all warranty is 3 years. Many factories cannot reach 3 years. That's because we want to let our customers to have some confidence to our machines, so we give the customers 3 years warranty. But I want to tell any customers the 3 years warranty for our machines is not including the knife cutting tool and the felt, because it may be need change if the lens or felt use some time. And the number 2 is our lifetime free service. And indeed our machine is 3 years warranty, but you buy our machine beyond 3 years. If your machines appear some problems and questions, we will also to help you. So this problem you don't worry. And number 3 is the software lifetime free updates, because our machine will update year by 1 year, because our software and our software department will often update. So if we have the new software and new system, we will for our customer lifetime free for the update. So, and the number two big question is how AOL's after service team works. This is also the customers are worried. I want to tell you the number 1 is after you pay the deposit for the order, our sales will build a chat group, and as you pay the deposit remotely, and I set a WeChat group, WhatsApp group, or some online group. Will let you in and will our engineers in. So if you have any questions, you can send it in this group, and our engineer will help you online and immediately. Sales would ask our factory about production status of your machine every 3 days and report you. This like you buy our machine, and we have this machine in production, and I will tell you about 3 days and 3 days about you. The machine is in which step, and you can know the machine's production process. And we have 3 times strict quality inspections. When the machine is finished, sales will send the whole process video by mail or WhatsApp. It means we are strict for our every machine before the delivery. So when the machine will be ready, I will send you the videos. And the number 3 questions is after you received in the machine. Yes, the machine is finished and delivery, and the next step is you receive the machine. Our sales will send you our instructions manual, our teaching videos to show you how to operate. And our software is very easy to temper, and as you wrote, the video is enough for you. When you receive the machine, the manuals and the online engineers will be ready to help you when you need. And if you or your employees could learn how to use the machine by teaching video, our engineer will teach your engineer online until you could use it without problems. This is we must ensure the machines you read, the real machines, you can use it without problems. And the next big question is when you meet problems. Yes, the machine you can use, and in the future you use machine meet some problems, and you have any questions and problems, just call us. and we will solve it. Every week sales will ask you about how's your business going, and is the recent problem about our machine, to make sure you get the profit with using our machine. And if the recent problem, sales will tell our R&D department. Yes, when you meet problems, contact us. It's okay. We will help you to solve. And improving and upgrading our software for your free. If we have new software, we will help you. And the next is when you want to repurchase our second machine. If you feel our machine is good and works well, maybe you want to order another machine, or the next machine, the second machine, the third machine, or more machines. When we will give you our certain professional prices and all of our machines. We also produce the 3D laser engraving machine. Yes, this is another machine for of us. So please note our warranty is 3 years. This machine, as the Ella explanation, we have many industries. So no matter what industries you are running in, you can contact us, and maybe our machine is suitable for you. And many customers maybe another questions like, I cut fabric, but the laser cutting machine also can cut it. Why you recommend me the knife cutting machine? I want to tell you, the knife cutting machine is the trend of the world. Before we also make the laser cutting machines, but now our mainly product is knife cutting machine, because this is trend, and the knife cutting machine is much smarter and more complex, and its cutting result is perfect. It's better than laser because it uses the blade to cut, but the laser uses the laser tube to cut. So the laser black fabric, the edge will be much smooth and much good, much better. Of course, we can send you our catalog. And can you tell me what's your mail address? I will send you the catalog and watching video to your mail address. It is okay? Thanks menu. And the quotation is according your machine size and the tools. So we need to talk more. Okay, thank you. I received your mail address. After the leave, I will show you. I will send you mail. Thanks. And the next part, I want to explain it for you why we expensive. You know, in China there are many manufacturers and suppliers of the knife cutting machine, and some customers maybe say, why you expensive and your machine is price is much higher than I contacted. Oh, thank you. You can contact the Daniel, and I will let Daniel to send you mail. Thanks. And next part, let's go on. We need to explain why we expensive. This problem is very usual, and most of our customers also will have these questions. And I want to tell you, first of all, we want to state our position. What we do is that customer market is made to high end, and we don't have low prices machine. Everyone is in business and understands the relationship between quality and price. And secondly, our service is very well known. We have a professional after-service team and the independent software and development department. So this is also our advantage. If our quality doesn't match to you and that doesn't match to the price, then we cannot gain foothold in the Chinese market. But our company has been 14 years. If our machine and our if our machine price high but quality is not very well, we cannot do the machines 14 years. And next, I will discuss from the professional point of view of several machines. Why are our prices high, and give you a 10 professional points to consider. The number one, the thickness of the square tube above the bed of our machine is 6 mm, and the leg is 4 mm. The weight of the bed plate sheet metal has excessive 15,000 kgs. According to our knowledge, the orange country parts will be less than 1,000, and the gross weight of the whole machine is generally about 1.4 tons. Our machine's weight is a little much because we use the tubes. The square tubes are very good. Number, you may ask questions. The unit price of the iron is not high, right? Yes, the unit price of iron is not very low. It is very low, but the general industry standard after welding and spring is 1.3 USD, which is 700 USD for 5 kgs. But our machine is almost around 1.5 tons. You can calculate this cost. Number two questions is, we choose Taiwan linear guide for transmission, which is definitely not a OEM fake. We use the real bred linear and not the fake. And number three is, for the air switch of the power distribution cabinet, we choose Schneider from France. The price is 5 times that of Zhejiang chain. Before we use the linear guide in our Chinese, and we use the power distribution cabinet in our Chinese. But now we use the France brand just because we want to ensure our machine stable and to less our after service problems, to ensure our machine quality. And number four is, our transmission belt choose Italy made the worst top brand. The price is about 19 US dollars per m. And we use Taiwan ONK 5 USD before. The price is different 3 times, right? 19 and 5 is almost 3 times. The lifespan is also 3 times worse. And the Italian details doesn't need to be replaced for 10 years. If you with the Taiwan brand, it may be to be changed every 3 years. Think about how much you will save on replacing miscoat later. Each machine needs an 18 meters belt, and the belt is cost 330 US dollars. You can calculate these details. And the 5-1 is, we use the companies as Atlantic from Taiwan, the real world brand, and the general price of a single calendar is about 77 USD, and the unit price commonly used in the market is about 15 USD. And the 6-1 is standard 8 zoos. Absorption ensures that the absorption capital of the independent zoos is increased by 3 times. The previous option requires an additional is 620 USD $20. This is our zoos. And if your machine is big and your size is big, you can choose the more zoos, and it will be, and the cutting result will be better. And the next one is, the uniform standard thickness of the feeding felt is 4 mm from Holland. Before we use the 2.5 mm thickness, and the cost increased by 300 US dollars. and the service lifetime of the consumables was doubled, and the 2.55 mm. Maybe you use 1 year or 2 years, maybe need to replacement. But this we use the 4 mm felt. You can use 2 to 4 years to replace it, and the cost is reduced for your consumables. And the eighth one is the cable. Yes, the cable of the whole machine is selected from Germany. It's from Germany. It's from German, and the products in the CNC industry, because it is more than 30 kinds of electrical parts for the CNC terms. In order to reduce the interfaces of the machine to 0, we choose this brand, 4 USD per meter, and the price of the machine where is around $460 US. Last year we used Shanghai cable. Is a brand in Shanghai in our China, and which is best in China, but its price is 1.5 USD per meter, and the cost has increased by $300 US. We use the cable is 4 USD per meter, and before we use the cable is from China, the cost is about 1.5 USD meter. So this machine, just its cable price will increase $300 US. So you can calculate why we so expensive, because we focus on the details. And next one is all the wheel jack chains of the machine are German. It's about $30 US per meter, and a machine is generally about 5 meters. It's about but in China maybe they use the 6 USD is considered good, but we use $30 US. So this is also our details. And the next one is the SMC switch is about $25 US, but in the China and other players maybe the 20 and maybe the $2.3 US is very good, but we use 25 US is about 10 times for the others. And so we pay more attention to our details, and you can trust us. And please choose us, and our price is matched with the quality. Your choice will surely to bring you the greater benefits. And about the after service and the machine details, this is what I want to tell you. So if you consider and if you're worried about after service or the price problems, this is the answer. This is the answers AOL can give you. If you have any questions, you can leave your message to the link below, and we will contact you or reply you. Oh, I see another new friend is coming in. Hello, dear friend. A new friend is coming in. And if you have any questions, you can leave the message in the room, and we will contact you and reply you. Later, we introduce our office and introduce our the salespeople, and introduce our service support and the price problems. So if you want to know our machines in the future, you can contact us, and we will recommend you the suitable model according to your industry and your materials. Okay, if you want to know the further about our machine, you can send the inquiry to us and the TM messages to us. Okay, you can send the inquiries and the TM inquiries to us, and UL will serve you anytime. Okay, see you next time.